Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into a showdown between two heavyweight desktop processors, the Intel Core i5-1240F and the AMD Ryzen 5-5600. Get ready for a battle of cores, speeds, and prices. First up, let's talk about the price. Intel's Core i5-1240F comes in at $206, while AMD's Ryzen 5600 is slightly cheaper at $199. Reviewers appreciate the AMD Ryzen 5600 for its affordability, making it a great choice for budget-conscious shoppers. So if you're pinching pennies, AMD wins this round by a hair. Next, let's discuss dimensions and weight. The Intel Core i5-12400F's package dimensions are 4.92 L x 4.33 W x 3.18 H inches, and it weighs 0.999 pounds. The AMD Ryzen 5600 measures 5.40 L x 5.27 W x 2.90 H inches and weighs 0.95 pounds. Reviewers note that AMD's slightly lighter and more compact packaging offers a better unboxing experience. So AMD takes the lead in the portability department. Now, let's get to performance. The Intel Core i5-12400F boasts 6P plus OE cores with speeds up to 4.4 GHz. Reviewers highlight its excellent gaming performance, even at high resolutions, and its ability to stay cool with the stock cooler. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 5600 also features 6 cores, but has been praised for its strong single-core performance and significant improvements in gaming frame rates, especially for older AM4 systems. While Intel shines in raw speed and gaming at higher resolutions, AMD offers great value with impressive single-core performance and multitasking capabilities. When it comes to package contents, both processors come with a quantity of one, providing just the bare essentials. Reviewers haven't noted any significant differences here, so this round is a tie. Based on online reviews, both processors have their strengths. The Intel Core i5-12400F is praised for its gaming performance and cooling capabilities, while the AMD Ryzen 5600 is lauded for its affordability, single-core performance, and efficiency in older systems. Both are excellent choices depending on your specific needs and budget. So, there you have it. In the battle of the Intel Core i5-12400F versus the AMD Ryzen 5600, it's a close call. Intel excels in gaming performance and cooling, while AMD wins in affordability and single-core efficiency. Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let us know which processor you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest comparisons. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy shopping and stay smart.